Hey everyone, we have a set of 6-piston calipers finished up today. These were completely rebuilt and powder coated in color. It's actually a paint match color from Prismatic. This is the Acura Platinum White off the newer MDXs. So yeah, customer just wanted a full rebuild and to get them powder coated in this white color. It's hard to tell from the camera and the brightness right now. I was trying to lower the brightness a little bit. But there's some nice pearl effects in this this coating. Looks really good. So all new bleeders, caps for the bleeders, dust boots and seals were replaced. And of course the original finish was completely stripped. Calipers sandblasted and powder coated. So if you have some calipers that need some refinish work, go to our website at VisionAutoworks.com, reach out to us for a price quote. Thanks.